and welcome back to my channel. So listen, we're going to talk about Basketball Wives today. The reunion special came on last night. Don't ask me the season, child. I don't know. 85. Who knows? I don't know. But I want to talk about it, give a quick recap on the season, what's been happening, what jumped off at the reunion special, because listen, I watched it and I enjoyed it. So we're going to let's start with the easy breezies. I forgot Malaysia was actually on the season. Like, I watched it this season. I didn't watch every episode, but I watched majority of the episodes. I might not have paid 1,000% attention because I swear to you, until they mentioned it, I forgot she was on this season. And then she quit Basketball Wives in the middle of the season because of bull crap. Okay, I'm gonna be real with you. I don't know what the heck. I don't care what's going on with Malaysia. She likes to put on this front. It is not helping. She has bills to pay. She already told everybody that her ex-husband does not provide for her kids. So, okay, the ex-husband does not provide for your kids. You have 3 kids you have to take care of. Basketball Wives was your main check for the most part. I don't know anything else she does. Okay, unless you got a dude who's funding your life, you need this check, sis. Do not pull a Kim Zolciak and be messed up and try to run back to get back on this show. You gotta, like, to me, Malaysia just doesn't want to deal with whatever the frick is going on with her, right? Let's talk about everybody else but her. She doesn't want to deal with certain things, and in real life, you have to deal. Even if you're gonna fake be friends with these people, you talk about them, they talk about you. Just deal with the shit. It is nobody. Listen. It is no one's fault that you refuse to stand up to your ex-husband. At the end of the day, grown-ass women need to comprehend that you need to stand up for yourself. She just allowing her ex-husband to do her any old type of way. That is her business. If she decides to take that, you cannot be mad at the women for pointing it out. You need to be mad at yourself for allowing that deadbeat to even say anything to you. Okay? Who cares if somebody told him that? Who gives a crap? At the end of the day, he's not providing for his kids. Case closed. Next. So Duffy, let's get to Duffy and Brandy. So, Brandy and Duffy I don't know what's going on with them. I believe it has something to do with Duffy still wanting to be cool with Malaysia. Duffy doesn't actually have to pick a side. Like, this is real childish. Even if she said she don't owe Brandy anything, at the end of the day, it's still no need for all of that. During the show, and I know it's a lot of editing, but Brandy came off like she does a lot, right? Like, she does not want to deal. She does not want to take accountability as well. That's why her Malaysia was mad cool for all the years. Nobody wants to take accountability from California, I guess. I don't know. My bad, DC. Anyway, nobody wants to take accountability, right? And I feel like Brandy's going at Duffy and yelling and screaming and doing all this season, and Duffy is just like, you forgot I'm grown. You forgot I'm not the teenage you met, right? You forgot I'm grown. I'm not a baby no more. Like, you got to learn how to talk to people, right? You got to learn how to talk to people, and everybody's issue ain't your issue, because you get triggered because of something your husband might have been telling you. Like, that is the overarching theme, like, for a lot of these shows and a lot of these people and a lot of these stories. Is like, take it out on a person who did it. You don't get to take it out on everybody else. Okay. And I feel like that's what's happening. At the end of the day, it doesn't really matter. Right? She says her son is sick now. They're moving to LA full time with her husband. Listen, you forgave him. You deal with that. You cannot go ahead and take out whatever the frick he doing or he did in the past on everybody else. You just gonna mess around and have a stroke, have a heart attack for what? All to say that you kept your family together when he was out here living his life, not worrying about his family? Girl, bye. So that's my opinion of Brandy and Duffy. I think Duffy's fine. She minding her business over there with her man and her baby, and they good. And I ain't got nothing more to say about Duffy. Okay, I don't really have no issues with the girl. That's her. She's young. She's younger than all of the girls. And honestly, if we remember anything about her previous seasons when she was on it, I think Duffy is matured. I think she's grown up. She's growing up, and she's maturing, and people are allowed to like make mistakes and like grow the heck up. Right. But if you keep doing the same thing over and over again, like Jen is saying about Jackie, it's a lot of these women, including like Brandy and stuff, who needs to take that advice themselves. Where we gonna go? Angel. Angel don't be bothering nobody. She was hardly in the season. She was just here because she was trying to, hold on to her little peach child or whatever. They got peaches? Her basketball. Okay. She's a working mom. She got her man. She trying to, she had depression or whatever. She's feeling a lot better now. Good for her. She don't be fucking with nobody, so just leave that girl alone. Really, really leave the girl alone, okay? What else? Who else? Who is on this side? Jen, Jackie. British. So British was there. British, I believe she done did some illegal situations, some fundamental shit. She got an ankle monitor on. She ain't got too much going on except for that ankle monitor and a court case that she really can't discuss. So, so let's get to Jen, Jackie, and oh my God, not Brittany. Oh my gosh. So let's get to Jen and Jackie for a minute. So all season, so Jackie, this is beyond this season. And you have to, like, when they say Jackie be bored, Jackie be wholeheartedly bored. Okay. She does not go with her husband no more, where he plays games, because now he's a coach. He's older. They're established. He ain't going to do nothing. So she be home bored, right? She always in everybody's business. But the minute you tell Jackie something about herself, she don't want to deal with anything. We saw that we've seen that throughout many seasons. We saw it throughout this season. She got, she's very narcissistic. She's a whole victim. Like, and she is in attack mode all the freaking time. She attacked Jennifer. So their issue, according to Jackie, was Jackie wanted to get into real estate. Jen came to one of her properties before they were going to the runway show the day after. Jen came to the property. She was like, "Oh, nice." Off camera, Jen basically told her, "Why you didn't get a," kind of saying, them girls at Shaw to Sunset or whatever rental real estate show happened on the MTVs and the VH1s. I don't know. I don't watch those shows. They get a lot better houses. Why you didn't get one of those houses? Why you got this bullshit? So Jackie felt a way about it. I comprehend what Jen was saying. Jen was like, we've been doing this for a long time. You could have got it. You should have made them give you a better house, right? We are worth more. If you don't tell people what you deserve, they'll give you bullshit. And one thing about Jen is she gonna tell somebody what she deserves, because she grew up like that, and that's just what she is. She thinks she better than people, and that's her business. And all Black women should think they're better than fucking people. Listen, this is, I'm above the bullshit, and especially if I call you my friend, I'm gonna tell you what I think. Now, if you feel a way about what I think, like Jen said yesterday, you should have said it then. Right? We was having a conversation off camera, but no, you wanted to bring it on camera because you petty and you childish, Jackie. Big grown, she 50 something, and she like she's freaking 15. Not even. My 14-year-old is more emotionally mature than freaking Jackie Christie. Okay. So it went from Jackie trying to embarrass her at the fashion show, and everybody agreeing like this shit is wild. Everybody's looking at Jackie like, yo, you wild. Jackie does not want to take accountability even during the show. It got to the point where Jennifer gave her a cease and desist. She's like, oh, she let not British. Oh my gosh. She let what's her name give it to me. I don't even know what was on that paper. They told you what it was. It does not matter. It does not matter, honestly, if you didn't open it. They have it on camera that she gave it to you. They have it on camera that she gave it to you. So honestly, it doesn't matter if you didn't want to open it. Hold on. Wait. No. No. No, I'm trying to see her name. Not Brandy. Um her name just escapes me right now. Her daughter just recent Brooke. Brooke. I knew it was something with a B. Okay. So what was I saying? Okay, so basically they're trying to tell Jackie, everybody all season, like, you wrong. She basically saying, Jen's products are trash. Jen didn't get her car didn't get carjacked by that ex. We made a video about it. It was a big thing like a year ago. She's suing that man. Like, you can't go around saying shit like this because you in your freaking feelings. And when she hit you with a cease and desist, she's like, well, she didn't even give it to me. Brooke gave it to me. Bro, when you serving somebody, you really can't serve them yourself. You have to get somebody else to serve you. So you were legally served. Number one, it was on freaking TV. And it doesn't matter if you poured all that champagne on it. Oh, I didn't even read it. It don't matter, man. In the eyes of the law, you were served and then you destroyed a legal document. Okay, if we want to be real with it, then you destroyed a legal document. Okay, just girl, just stop being petty and be a grown-ass woman. She want to claim matriarch. She want to say, oh, I got money. Yes, you do, because you're married to a good man. And Jen is out here trying to get it how she trying to get it. So there's no need for you to try to come for her and her business that she's trying to put together so she could be, so she's fine. It makes no sense. It makes no sense. Be happy with what you have. But like they said, it's like you're bored. You need it always to be about you. And that's why I personally think she didn't show up when Brooke's daughter passed. Okay, now if you've been under a rock, you don't know that Brooke's daughter. So Brooke's storyline was really her husband cheating on her and them getting a divorce, right? Husband cheating on her and she filing for divorce, which we found out yesterday that she completely filed because we thought she might go back, etc., but she just don't want to deal with it no more, which, listen, is understandable. But her daughter passed, right? I don't recall at this moment why her daughter passed. But her daughter passed. It was all over the thing, and she, like, literally everybody reached out to her. So Jackie is sitting next to Brooke, and Brooke trying to be calm and stuff, and just get through this stuff. And Jackie start talking about how she a matriarch and how she this and how she there for everybody. And Brooke just cut her off like, no, bitch, no. No, bitch, no. Where were you when my daughter died? And then Jackie's trying to cop, oh, because I didn't know what to say. I didn't know. No one knows what to say. Trust me, I don't do deaf good at all. No one knows what to say, but you at least got to call somebody, say hi. I really and truly feel like it's because Jackie couldn't make that about her. That's my personal opinion. It got so bad, Brooke was about to put the pause on Jackie. Brandy had to come and sit in the middle and was like, and Jackie was like, no, you can move. Brandy was like, no, I'm here for your protection. Because when that mama bear, because you know what it is, also, let's not forget that Jackie has a whole daughter that she don't mess with. Allegedly, because that daughter is darker than the rest of her kids. She has an entire daughter that she doesn't mess with. So that's wild on its own. So with that thinking, she might not comprehend how Brooke is going to feel with you not calling her, because she loves her kids. She loves her children, and it's not based off of what they look like, their complexion, or what that kid can freaking do for them. Right? So Brooke might have put hands and feet all over freaking Jackie, okay? At the end of the day, I really wish I wish all of these women well. I wish that Jackie get the heck up off this show, because even Jackie she was talking shit even to Brooke after she did all of this. She threatening her. She trying to get hype. You in the wrong. How are you so wrong and strong every fucking time? And then she's talking about, oh, well, maybe you don't need to be on Love and Hip Hop. Like she has power. Jen had to remind her that Jennifer is one of the original cast members. Baby, you ain't got as much power as you be wanting to claim that you do. Okay? Like, it is out of pocket. And I really am tired of Jackie Chrissy, whatever her name is, Jackie Chrissy. I'm tired of her. I really want her to go. Leave these other girls on the show. Leave Malaysia off until she understands that, until that mortgage is kicking in, and she comprehends that she really got to she got to actually be at work. She got to actually be at work. She got to actually work or be at work, or else we don't want to hear it. Okay, we don't want to see it. We don't want to hear it. Go do what you got to do. Go find a nigga to take care of you. Get somebody else to do it, because we don't want to. All right, so like I said, I hope they get rid of Jackie. All the rest of the ladies can stay. I kind of like the dynamic. They could even get rid of Brandy too, honestly, just to be truthful. I like Jennifer, Brooke. I like the Jennifer, Brooke, British. I like all of them, really. I like the Duffy in there. I think this is a very good cast. And I need Jackie to just go ahead and go sit up underneath her man and leave us the hell alone. Okay? And I'm done.